So I'm crossing this highway to get to this abandoned building here. I was driving down the road and it looks so intriguing. I got to explore it. Hopefully nobody will call the police on me. I don't know what kind of building this was. Seems like a waste. Seems like they could fix this and use this for something. Wow, I don't know what that thing is. What is that? It can't be moved. Lots of little shelves everywhere. Looks like this was for pipes or something. It's definitely not safe anymore. That old ceiling fan. I don't know what kind of place this was. This be creepy at night though. The walls have fallen down and everything. It's crazy. What a waste. Somebody's been here rolling up things. Kilgore Rental Tools is what this place says. Somebody broke the windows. Got the fire extinguisher out. Let's see if anybody's home. Oh wow, it's open. Wow. I don't know if y'all can see that. 1938. This is crazy. An old typewriter. Wow. Desk, files. The chairs, an old TV, more typewriters. The front door is wide open. I don't even know what all this stuff is. Lots of typewriters. $10 for the filing cabinet. I guess they were selling stuff. The shelf is 50 cents. Get back in here. Find a murderer. I guess this was the kitchen. Doris Ann. Lots of bird nests everywhere. There's two more up there. Then nobody will call the police on me for being in here. Here's the bathroom. They even have a phone in the bathroom. And a shower. Some kind of business to rent stuff out, I guess. Oh wow, how cute. There's a little nest in this box. How cute. Let me sneak out of here without getting arrested. Another barn back here. I don't know what all this stuff is. Looks like this place hasn't been used in a long time. More barns. Look how the vines have grown all over the walls. You know, this place has been empty a long time. Looks like one of those horror movies with the chain hanging down. Check this out, orange pine cones. That's weird. There's an old oil well. Lots of poison ivy everywhere. Seems like it would be worth rebuilding this place to use it again. I mean, what would it cost to build a place like this? $1 million? You could probably renovate this for half that. Lots of poison ivy. Something down there in the trees. Let me go see what it is. If I don't get snake bit. Oh, it's just junk. Lots of junk just piled back in the trees. They should be made to clean that up. Who leaves stuff like that in the trees? It's crazy. More buildings. Let's go see what's in them. This is really not my kind of filming. I prefer camping, but I saw this place, so I gotta film it. I don't know, y'all can't tell probably, but this, I'm not gonna go in that building because it is leaning like it's ready to fall. I think it'll probably fall while I'm here, while I was inside of it. There's another one that's fell. Look at all the seeds or something. Thousands of them. So the garage door's open, so let's go see what's in there. Wow. What a good building, man, with skylights and everything. This building looks new. This is something like out of a horror movie. Check this out. It's an iron cage. Oh wow. This make a good horror movie place to film. More shelves and a bathroom. A dark bathroom. I'm not going in there. Sure seems like you could renovate this place. Let's see if the phone is connected. Nope. No phone calls. There looks like the old place where they kept the time cards. This building is in really good shape. It has a cement floor and everything. Seems like this could be used for something. An old water cooler. Oh, check this out, a little nest. How cool is that? Y'all hear the birds? You probably can't hear them. Birds everywhere. This is a big place too. More buildings. Barbecue pit. Look at all the junk. Oh God, that scared me for a second. See if anybody's cooking. Nobody's cooking nothing. Look at all the junk. This is crazy. Trash. Here is some kind of buried building. I don't know if I can get around there and go inside of it. Oh no, there's the door covered up. I guess it's a storm cellar. Crazy. There's another building down in there, which I cannot get to because of all the trash and poison ivy everywhere. There's a little trail through the grass. It seems like somebody or something comes down here. Check this out. Blackberries. Can y'all see them? Everywhere. Let me taste of it. See it? Mmm. Wow, everywhere too. Red ones, black ones, everywhere. So it looks like there's another building down in here. Let's check it out. Y'all want to? We might find a mass murderer down in here. Oh my God, look at this. An old basketball court. Or goal, whatever you call it. Poison ivy everywhere. I'll probably regret this trip. Check this out. Just back in the trees here. Look what a tree, man. Wow. Poison ivy everywhere. I'm probably gonna eat up in poison ivy. There's another building over in there. Crazy. Let's check this out. Y'all want to look at this tree, man? Y'all may not can tell how big it is, but it is massive. More barns. Y'all want to go see what's in there? Let's go. Lots of poison ivy. Nothing in these barns but junk. Nice little barns though. There's a view of that building way up in yonder where I was earlier. I love that tree. And back to a little road. I don't know where this goes. Oh wow, I can see houses or buildings way up in there. Check this out. This little house. I didn't even know it was here. To walk right up on it. I'm not going in that one because it's covered in poison ivy. And there's another one, another barn up in there. What a waste. Oh, here's another one. Oh, this house has fell down. Let me see if I can get back in here so y'all can see it. This house is completely filled down. Look at the porch. It's at an angle. I'm not gonna walk under that thing. Will probably fall when I get under it. It's about my luck. Mosquitoes are really bad here too. And here, see what's up this little road. It's crazy. Here's another big, huge barn. What a waste. Seems like somebody could do something with all this. It's falling over there. Seems like you could clean it up and use it for something. Mosquitoes are bad as hell here. It's really pretty down in here, but it needs to be cleaned up. Oh, there's a flagpole. Wish I had a flag. I would bring it down here and put it on it. This road is overgrown. It's about gone. Nature takes everything back. There's another building. I gotta see what's in it. Let's go, y'all. See what's up in here. We might find a hidden treasure. Or forgotten treasure. Maybe it's hidden. Maybe somebody hid it up in here. Pretty little flowers everywhere too. And spider webs. Y'all probably can't see it. Nothing in there. No hidden treasure, guys. An old wooden box. Let's see, maybe the treasure's in there. Nope, no treasure. It's a cool wooden box though. If it was my property, I would get it out of here. It's cool. Beautiful place back in there, real pretty. Just real pretty. It'd be a good place to go camping. It'd be creepy at night. Sorry for the shaky camera, guys. I'm still getting this down. This is all new to me. Maybe I need to buy a better camera. Forgotten places. Just think this used to be a really busy place with people running around everywhere, and it's just forgotten now. It's a shame. Always makes me sad. Check this out up in the trees. That is cool. So guys, let's head back. I think I need to make this video a two-part video because there's several buildings I didn't go check out. Look at that poison ivy. This stuff is everywhere. I'll probably be covered in it. Check out these pretty flowers though. Isn't that pretty? I think these things turn into stickers that get in your pants later. And in the dog's hair. I like this place. I could go camping right there, park and camp overnight. That would be fun. Maybe I'll do that. And film it at night and see if it's haunted. Check these little flowers out. Ain't they pretty? I don't know what kind of flower they are, but they're pretty. So I'm headed out. I think I'll make this a two-part video. There's so much more to see here. And I'll talk to you guys later. One last shot. Ain't that building cool?